We're doing a hinder rust coating day here in Winona, Minnesota at Floramics Incorporated. We're doing underbodies, and then we're also going to be hitting all the battery terminals and things under the hood you see here. This is a great opportunity you see here. You can see all the different corrosion opportunities that have migrated on this car. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit this all with hinder rust and stop this corrosion in its place. It'll also migrate, hinder rust will migrate down the crimped wires, because typically your failure is going to be further down the wire where the break happens, not so much up here. But all this white powder is evidence of severe corrosion going on. And so we're going to stop that by hitting this with hinder rust. And we're actually probably going to spray a lot of items underneath this hood here, staying away from belts and moving items, but try to stop the surface corrosion. So just a lathering is all we need. Hinder rust is solvent free, will not attack plastics, will not corrode things. It also will not evaporate away. And so it'll not only be a rust inhibitor, but down the road here when you try to remove that bolt, it's going to act as a lubricant and not only at this point stop the rust, it'll also start acting as a rust breaker and a lubricant. And that's it.